When it comes to defining the identity of a home, nothing speaks louder than the main entrance. It is not just a door, it is a statement of precision, craftsmanship, and personality. Today, we are exploring a design that represents modern luxury in its purest form. A front facing double wooden main door that stands alone, isolated and powerful in its presence.
This design begins with perfect proportion. A balanced dimension of 5 feet in width and 7 feet in height creates a structure that feels neither overwhelming nor understated. It is precise, intentional, and engineered for visual harmony. The door features two perfectly symmetrical shutters. Symmetry here is not just visual, it is structural. Every element on the left aligns flawlessly with the right, creating a continuous flow that meets seamlessly at the center joint. This level of precision is what transforms a simple door into a design statement. Crafted from premium teak wood, the surface showcases rich natural grain patterns that add warmth and authenticity. Teak is not just chosen for its beauty, but for its durability and long-lasting performance. Over time, it ages gracefully, enhancing the character of the design. The highlight of this door lies in its deep CNC 3D carved pattern. Unlike flat carvings, this design uses a combination of recessed and raised blocks. Each section is carved at varying depths, creating a layered geometric composition. This technique introduces dramatic shadows and highlights, giving the surface a sculptural quality. The absence of floral elements keeps the design firmly rooted in modern aesthetics. Instead, the geometry takes center stage. Bold lines, sharp edges, and structured forms create a sense of order and sophistication. The pattern flows across both shutters, forming a continuous visual language that connects at the center. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing this design. Strong directional studio lighting emphasizes the depth of the carvings. Shadows fall sharply into the recessed areas, while the raised surfaces catch the light, creating contrast and dimension. This interplay of light and shadow brings the door to life. At the center of each shutter, long vertical premium brass handles are placed with precision. These handles are not just functional, they are design elements. Finished in polished gold, they reflect light naturally, adding a touch of elegance. Their vertical alignment enhances the height of the door, making it appear even more grand. One of the most refined details in this design is the branding. Sanjesh construction is engraved vertically along the outer edge of the right panel. It is subtle, carved into a deeper groove, and seamlessly integrated into the pattern. It does not demand attention, yet it is always present, a mark of identity without distraction. The door is presented in an isolated setting with a plain background. There are no walls, no columns, and no surrounding elements. This approach ensures that the entire focus remains on the design itself. Every texture, every shadow, and every detail becomes clearly visible. The centered composition further enhances the visual impact. The door stands balanced within the frame, reinforcing its symmetry and precision. The ultra-realistic 4K rendering captures even the smallest details, from the fine wood grain to the reflections on the brass handles. This design is not just about appearance. It reflects a philosophy: clean, structured, and intentional. It shows how modern design can achieve luxury without relying on excessive ornamentation.
This kind of alignment requires precision and careful planning, especially when working with detailed carvings. The temple-style borders add a subtle cultural influence to the design. These borders frame the door panels beautifully, giving it a defined structure while enhancing the traditional feel. The carvings along the borders are clean and repetitive, maintaining consistency throughout the design without making it look overcrowded. One of the most important aspects of this door is the depth of the carving. CNC technology allows for controlled cutting, which creates layers within the wood. Some sections are slightly recessed, while others are raised. This variation in depth creates natural shadows, especially when light falls on the surface. These shadows enhance the overall richness of the design and give it a premium 3D appearance. The choice of brass handles complements the rosewood perfectly. Brass, with its warm golden tone, adds a touch of elegance and contrast against the darker wood. The handles are not just functional, they act as a design element that enhances the overall look of the door. Their placement at the center.
A main door like this is more than an entry point. It is a reflection of refined taste, attention to detail, and a commitment to quality. When design, material, and craftsmanship come together with precision, the result is something timeless. This is where modern luxury truly begins.